Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Lightly Sketched, and today I'm here with my daughter Chanel.
Hi!
And we're going to be showing you how to create a calming mandala. The primary objective of creating a mandala is to promote serenity and reflection. These beautiful geometric designs have been known to help reduce stress and anxiety in both children and adults because of their meditative nature.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's get started.
For today's art piece, you will need printed mandala patterns and a tracer, Sharpie markers, and a pencil with an eraser, and a blank piece of paper. Once all of your materials are gathered, you can trace one of the mandala templates onto a piece of paper. Tracing your mandala onto paper will allow you to create designs that can extend beyond one ring without having lines go through it. You can trace as many rings as you'd like, depending on how big you'd like to make your mandala. Chanel traced 3 out of the 7 rings for her design today. Once your rings are drawn, start filling them in with patterns using a thin Sharpie or pen. Younger children might be more comfortable drawing in pencil first and then tracing over their designs afterwards. You could create a ring of triangles, flower petals, circles, or any shape that inspires. Draw a variety of shapes. You can even leave a ring blank. You can put on some calming music or something classical while you work on your mandalas. So continue to fill in your mandala rings as you see fit. When you're happy with your design, erase your pencil lines. You can color your mandala using pencil crayons, markers, or watercolor paint like Chloe is using here, or any coloring tools that you have available. You can even photocopy your design so you can color it in many times or give copies to your family. Did you have fun today, Chanel?
Yeah!
Please let me know in the comments whether you tried this activity and if you had any challenges or successes while completing it.
Thanks for watching!
We'll see you again soon.
Bye.